Well lads, how are things? Just to give you a quick update there on how things are going in Burrow. Yeah, I suppose we had grass first. We done a walk this morning. Growth was about 55, 56. Demand at the minute now is probably about 63, 64. So we're going to ease into our average farm cover, which is high enough at the minute. It's about near just shy of 700, so about 680, 685. I'd be happy enough to keep going as we are for the next 3 or 4 days. So we'll do a walk again at that point and see what way we're sitting at then. I suppose just in the background there, there's an outblock I'm on at the minute. There's a second cut silage that's stopped up, so I'll probably be cutting another 3 weeks, 4 weeks maybe. Yeah, look, it's a little bit drought stressed at the minute. You can just feel it underneath, like it's very dry, but it's still growing well. But yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. Yeah, I suppose growth rates have dropped as well in the last couple of days. As I said, 55, 56. So last walk was up at 60 or 78, 79. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. I suppose a good excuse to start cleaning off these paddocks to the absolute floor. So Lord to mercy on our milk and all that. But yeah, I think look, it'll benefit us in the long term anyway. Yeah, the milk then, look, we're at about 1.65 kilos of solids. Like I said, we're still fighting a bit of stem. But look, it's happy enough where we are at the minute. It'll probably drop further if the drought stays going, but I refuse to feed meal. Yeah, until we're completely out of grass, and we'll probably put in silage as well at that stage. But yeah. Yeah, and I suppose, look, this week gone we were at the Moorepark open day. Look, it's a super day. It is getting bigger and bigger every second year it is on. Loads of information at it. Super event, lads. I suppose, yeah, the biggest part of the day was meeting people nearly. Just everywhere you turned you nearly knew someone. Yeah, so it was kind of chats all day long. It was hard to take it all in. But yeah, no, super day around, well organised, brilliant. Thanks very much, lads. Right, so look, we'll let you at it and we'll chat to you all again at the next one. Cheers.